When your Ford displays a key battery low, replace soon warning, it's telling you that your key fob's battery voltage has dropped below the optimal operating level. This warning is generated by Ford's Passive Anti-Theft System, or PATS, which continuously monitors your key fob's signal strength. When the signal weakens, the body control module activates the dashboard warning. Most Ford key fobs use lithium coin batteries, typically CR232, CR2025, or CR2450 models. These batteries are designed to last between 2 to 4 years under normal usage conditions. The warning system is designed to give you plenty of advance notice, typically 2 to 4 weeks before the battery completely dies. This gives you time to replace the battery at your convenience. Several factors can cause premature battery drain. The most common include excessive button pressing, extreme temperatures, storing the key fob near electronic devices, and in rare cases, manufacturing defects or vehicle software issues.